say Shatta Wale mame and say obetra ye ntinten so e de ntuma kru no ho say eye ne ba Shatta Wale kra won fi no ai won fi no na mame ne patre say obatan bia anaso wo de ayam hihie e na eka so we ba betra ntinten so aye san ye ne pe na emu amane a wo hu e wo Shatta ne nua mansem no atetse ne apnesi a eye ne man ne nam no ano odin pa enti na oni auction bi ase wo ba betra ntinten so na se bi wa pro eye ne ntumago e di asan abontin ampa ma min se ne wo fam no aye duru baby a na wo pese wo kana no aduru wo pese wo kunu efi asase to because wa wo mma se asebe nyankopon pegya o ma brabo no hu so yie na ne ma so de ne fasa asem no na wo pese wo end in life kra na tese wo koda din na tese asem mi eni no onim se wo koda din so a anaso wo kana no aduru no wu so a onim se ne mba ba be ye yie akase pa kokuru ne chencheche esie no nti no pese wo kunu hu mo na o twa bibia so eye Shatta maame ene de saa asemu ya ba se Ghana fo nsusu entwa na dafo na ye ne pe na mu nia wona mu nie ma ye ntie eye Shatta ne nua ba ko a wono be kasa ma eye Shatta maame.
Hello fam, this is my last video on Shatta Wale's mom's issue. There are questions that people have asked and I want to clear the air and the rumors. First of all, how many kids does Shatta Wale's mother have? She has 4 kids, 3 girls, 1 boy. Shatta is the only boy and 3 other girls. One of the girls is not for Shatta's father. She had it when she was very young. She was abused. So she had that child when she was abused. So the 2 girls are Shatta's sisters. The first daughter, she's not really doing well. So the 2 daughters, the question is, why won't they take care of their mother? According to them, their father have warned them not to call their mother, check up on her or support her. That is why they don't want to get closer to her or do anything for her. That's what they told their mother. So they have decided not to. So, but once a while, sometimes they sneak and check up on her. Sometimes they don't. She can't force them. Like she's trying to reach out to all her kids, but it's not really working out. Secondly, did Shatta Wale bought 4 cars for his mother? No, he bought only 1 car for the mother. It's a Kia car. That is the only car he bought for the mother. The third question is, did Shatta Wale bought a house for the mother? No, he rented a house for the mother 5 years ago at Salem Estate, but the rent has expired long ago. Since that time, like it has expired, and she has moved from there long ago and has been on her own, hustling for herself. All this while, what was Shatta Wale's mother doing before she fell sick? She was she had these joints around Papa's Pizza, trying to sell food and all that. But then the owner of the house came back and said she wanted the place back. So at that point, she couldn't continue the business again. So that's how come she was idle for this few years, but she was still trying to do something for herself. But she's a 70-year-old woman, so between you and I, there isn't much she can do at that age. There's not much she can do with her strength. Okay. Another question people have been asking is, why did we bring this issue to the media? For a long time now, this woman have been going through a lot of psychological trauma, and she's been trying to reach her son, to no avail. She's talked to a lot of people. People are saying that, well, aren't there family members? Aren't there people she can talk to? Yes, she did talk to family members. Yes, family members came into the issue, tried to talk to the son. It didn't work out between them for all these years. People tried. She knows people. People have tried to come into this issue. It didn't work out. Okay, so it's not that nobody or no family member tried. They have tried it. It didn't work out. So we've been stopping her from talking to the media or anybody that would take this issue, that will bring this issue out. We've been trying to control her. Then at a point, she started having a psychological issue that she'll wake up and be like, where's my son Junior? Bring my son Junior to me. Hey, where's Junior? She'll lie down, but Junior, where are you? She's been having this mental breakdowns. And then we'll tell her that calm down, Junior will come. She says then she start threatening that she'll commit suicide. But we thought she's just emotionally blackmailing us. Until she was in the village. And when she was in the village, people have been mocking her that, look at you. Your son is there doing this for people. You are there. Look at you. You are here hungry. begging, because all of us have been trying to support her small, and sometimes she doesn't have it, and she asks people for help. Then people will be insulting her. You've given birth, look at your life now. People have been people can be very mean in Ghana. So she started having suicidal thoughts in the village. That is when her sister's daughter her sister's daughter Sheriko decided to bring her to her junior sister Princess in Accra, that maybe if she leaves those people who are mocking her in the village and comes to Accra, she'll feel better. And she was having high blood pressure too. But Sheriko is she does herbal medicine. What I'm saying is Sheriko's mother, Shatta Wale's mother's sister, who is Sheriko's mother, is a medicine woman. This woman does a lot of herbal stuff. So they were trying the herbal things on her, but it's not like it's the thinking, psychologically she's thinking. So when she came to Accra, Princess decided to take her to hospital. When she took her over there, so they gave her the scientific medication, the modern medicines that she's on. But then she'll be there and then she'll be like, hey, bring my son Shatta to me, call my son. They've been trying, they'll call the boy, he will not pick up. She too, she will call, he will not pick up. So it started like madness for her. She said we should allow her. She want to go and maybe she want to go on the media and call the son out. We said, no, you're not coming on the media to call your son out. She said she will commit suicide. We said, you will not commit any suicide. Shut up. We thought it's emotional blackmail. Until this month, she attempted suicide like about 5-6 times. And last week, she attempted the suicide like 4 times. So the 4th one was when she went to mash mosquito coil to drink. Now, Princess goes to work. She goes to work every day. She and her husband goes to work. The kids go to school. But they have a house help in the house that they ask to keep an eye on her. So the house help, they told the husband that every time after 5 minutes, always go and watch what she's doing. Then that's when she saw that the woman was mashing something and then mixing the thing. So she called Princess at work that I saw she was mashing something and all that. She said, go to the room, see what she's doing. And then lo and behold, she wanted to drink the thing. That's when the house girl held her and said, no, you're not drinking. She wants to say, leave me, let me die. So when Princess came back home, she was very devastated and called Sheriko and said, this woman, if we don't take care, she's going to commit suicide and give us problem. So Sheriko called her. What do you want? She said she wants to talk to her son. Your son is not picking. She said we should find other means to call out the son so that the son can come to her. Then that is when Sheriko decided to bring the issue. She said she cannot give birth and her children will abandon her and other people's kids will be feeding her. She will come and be sitting in other people's house and the kids will be feeding her. I don't know what is wrong with that. If you have kids and the kids said they won't take care of you and somebody's kids is taking care of you, accept it. Just make up your mind that, oh, my kids are dead. But she said no. She cannot be here and her children were abandoned. Her children she has suffered for were abandoned. So she was talking. Then that's when Sheriko got angry and said, okay, if talking to the media to call out your son to come to and see you is what is going to stop you from committing suicide, let's go on the media. That's when Sheriko came to bring the issue on the media.
Say Shatta my media and Crawford to no funti or Kasafa background. Or Kasana Busha for Nati, no more dear ba enti, and Nimia ba Shatta, say ni auntie, and the Wakasan. Shatta, yes, Rawa, ye do pa, enti me peso bako mo mean so na edi yin so at you, a queen to an ambassador Navy, Macra.